about point, line segment, line and rays. Today we will start from one activity. First, draw one point on the paper. This is point O. Now we have to find out how many lines can we draw through this point. Look at the board. And observe the figure. We will name it these lines, line A, line B, line C and line D. We will find that we can draw innumerable lines through this point O. So when three or more than three lines passes through a single point, they are called concurrent lines. When three or more than three lines passes through a single point, they are called concurrent lines. And the point through which these lines are passes, it is called point of concurrence. Now here we will write concurrent lines. Identify which are the concurrent lines in this figure. Line A, line B, lines A, B, C and D are concurrent lines which passes through point O. Now we will write point of concurrence. Observe the figure. All these lines passes through point O. So here point O is the point of concurrence. Now we will take one more activity. Here I will draw some points. If we choose any 2 points, we have to find out how many lines can we draw through any 2 distinct points. If we will choose these 2 points, let us find how many lines can we draw. One line we can draw through these 2 distinct points. We choose these 2 points and we will find that we can draw one single line through any 2 distinct points. So, what we understand by doing this activity, one and only one line can be passes through any 2 distinct points. Next concept is collinear points. Again I will draw one line. These 2 arrowheads indicate that this is a line. If you observe on this line, there are 4 points. Point P, point Q, point R and point S. And these 2 points are not lie on this single straight line. So when 3 or more than 3 points lie on a single straight line, they are called collinear points. And the points which do not lie on the single straight line, they are called non-collinear points. Here, if we take these 2 points X and Y, they are collinear. But if we will choose point P, point Q, point R and point X and Y, these all points are non-collinear points. So here it is written as points P, Q, R and S are collinear points. collinear and non-collinear concept. For example, in Kho-Kho game, the players who are sitting on a single straight line, they are called collinear players, and the players who are running are called non-collinear players. One more example of stars. Have you seen some stars are located on a single straight line? So these stars are called collinear stars, and the stars which are at distance, they are called non-collinear star. So this example you have studied in your day-to-day life. Now we are going to study about plane. This is a flat surface which extends in all directions is called plane. For example, look at the board. The surface of the board is flat. Then surface of the table is also flat. If you have observed notebook, the surface of the notebook is also flat. Observe the figure. This is plane. It is named by single capital letter H. So this is plane H. It is written as plane H. It has 4 arrowheads. It indicates that plane can extend in all directions. Next concept we are going to study about parallel lines. When two lines in a plane, when two lines lie in a single plane, they are called parallel lines. These lines are parallel to each other. If we extend line, it can extend on both sides, but these lines do not meet each other. So they are called parallel lines. Next figure I am going to draw here. Just observe the figure. We have to find out these lines are parallel or not. If we extend this line like this, they meet each other at single point. So these two lines are not parallel. So what these lines are called? These lines are intersecting lines. So next concept is intersecting lines. When two lines meet each other at a single point, when two lines meet each other at a single point, they are called intersecting line. For example, here line L and line M intersect each other at point O. The example of intersecting lines are, just observe the board. This vertical line and horizontal line meet each other at single point. These lines are called intersecting line. Then in mathematics we use plus sign, multiplication sign. It is also example of intersecting line. Now what is the difference between parallel lines and intersecting line? Parallel lines we can extend on both sides, but which after extending they do not meet each other. Then whereas intersecting line meet each other at single point. The example of parallel lines are rabbit rat, and in mathematics we use the sign equal to sign. If you observe the opposite sides of the book, these two opposite sides are parallel to each other, and these two sides are parallel to each other. If you observe this scale, these two horizontal lines are parallel to each other and these two vertical lines are parallel to each other. So next concept we are going to study in next video. Thank you. इथे काय गडबड झाली?